Hello YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here, and today we're going to do an unboxing and testing of 3 different microphones. You know, if you've been watching my videos for any length of time, you know the sound quality ranges from okay to pretty bad. I've learned some tricks to eliminate the wind and so forth, but like the videos in the car, there's always the engine noise and road noise, and the sound quality is usually terrible. So I wanted to try some different options and see if any of them will improve the sound. The other issue is with the GoPro type cameras, I don't believe any of these will work. So these are only going to work with the actual big video camera. So first up, we'll try this super unidirectional condenser microphone. I'll put links to all of these products so that you can check them out yourself. See, this one comes with a really long cable that's got your normal plug in there, and then that connects to the microphone. So this one can be positioned a lot of places. It also has this stand here that I'll have to figure out what that connects to, because that doesn't look like my tripod or anything, but it might surprise me. And of course we got the wind noise guard that hopefully would, we have lots of wind in Texas, so hopefully this would cut that out and give better sound. That just connects like that. Looks like it disconnects just by pushing on this tab and pulling it. So this microphone runs off of one AA battery. The instructions are nice enough to not mention that, nor how to get to it. Fortunately, it was pretty straightforward. It just unscrews from there. So I'm going to hook this one up and we'll see if there's a difference in the sound quality. Alright, this one is now hooked up. And that's me holding it right to my face. And that's holding it up there. That's the normal setting. And then that's the tele setting. I don't know if it makes any difference or not. Won't know until we play this back, will we? Next up is the, I guess that's pronounced Voicel MC50. And I believe this one's meant to be mounted to the top of your video camera. You see it's got a similar mount to the last microphone. It's much smaller, much more lightweight. Has the windscreen on it. It's got a choice for low cut on and off, minus and plus 10 decibels. I'll look in the instructions and see what those do, or what they're supposed to do, and then we'll try it out. It also looks like it has a battery compartment right here. silica pack in there. If I can get that out and put some batteries in here. I need a tool to get that out of there. Here's that the batteries are supposed to go in that way. This one takes 2 AA's. So you got one down and one up. Squeeze them in and lock it into place, and we have power. So let me hook this one up and see what it does to the sound. Alright, now we're on the, like I said, maybe voiceal microphone, and this is just the on. This is the low cut setting. This is the minus 10 decibels. And that is the plus 10 decibels. So we'll see if there's any noticeable difference. Like I said, that's just the normal setting right there. So the instructions say the low cut is designed to reduce background noise such as wind or other low frequency sound. I don't think of wind as being low frequency, but I guess we can try this outside on a windy day and see if it does any good. And then obviously the plus and minus 10 decibels, you heard the difference. It just reduces the volume or increases the volume. And so probably with most of my videos I need to do the plus 10, since I tend to not speak out loud very well, it seems like, when I'm filming. And last up is the, I guess that's lavalier microphone, kind that clips to your shirt. I'm actually filming this sequence with the voiceal microphone attached. It seemed like it did a pretty good job just when I was kind of playing back some of this just to see if anything was working or not. Now this one, I haven't read the whole email, but the second I ordered it, they sent out an email with a bunch of, hey, if you're having trouble type stuff on it. So I doubt that I'll have any trouble, but I thought that was kind of a nice touch. So this looks pretty straightforward. It looks like you just plug that in and clip this to your lapel somewhere, and then obviously you'd have this microphone up by your mouth when you're talking. It's got a little bit of a wind guard on it, so hopefully on a windy day it would stop that. There's an adapter plug there, and I can't tell. Okay, so there's a slight difference there. You really have to pay attention there. But see, you got 3 stripes on here and 2. So I'm guessing if you plug this in and your system is not designed to differentiate for the 3, then you plug this adapter and this will turn this into this. And somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but it's been a while since I've taken apart one of these and soldered it, but if I was remembering correctly, the more lines you have separate connectors in here. So like this could be 3 different connections, whereas this is only 2, and my numbers may be off, but the more lines, the more different wires can be connected in here. I gave extra wind protection there, and I also gave an extension cable. So this one, I don't know how long it is, basically almost 5 feet long, and then this is an extra 79 inches, which, what's that, 6'7". So my math is not as good as it was 30 years ago. Alright, now we are with the lapel microphone. I think they pronounce it lavalier. Don't know that for sure. So the nice thing about this one is when you're walking around facing other things, the sound quality should not change compared to when you have a fixed microphone on the camera and you're looking away from it, your sound quality changes. The obvious potential problems is you really got to be aware that you are connected by cable to your camera, and you're going to have a distance of somewhere between 5 and 12 feet before you're going to rip it out of your camera, break it, knock over your camera, or whatever. So you just have to be really aware if you're wearing this. Give this one a wind test as well. Alright, we'll see how this sounds. Alright, this is the Voicel. I'm going to do a wind test here. That was the normal. Let me try it with the low cut. With the low cut. Alright, and we're back to this one. I'm going to blow on it. So hopefully that blocks the wind. Alright, so my unofficial results, I would say the Voicel did the best sound quality, followed by the lavalier, and finally the unidirectional condenser. Let me know in the comments if you agree. Like I said, this will be a long-term learning experience, not just this one video. I may play around, switch different microphones and so on. But what I noticed with the lapel one is it picks up a lot of breathing sounds, although the wind seemed like it cut it pretty well. And I may just need to adjust where I'm wearing the lapel so that it's not picking up my breathing so much. Anyway, hope the video was helpful. Appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.